What you got?
Strawberries and blackberries left. I just eat the raspberries. Just leave me alone.
Are they yummy?
Mm-hmm.
What do you got to drink?
Milk.
I love you.
I love you too.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Why are you Don't vlog me right now. I am not vlog acceptable at the moment.
Oh, you totally are. What are you doing over here, Bunsky? Little giggle box for no reason.
Good.
Look at that hair. Look at that hair.
No.
Ew, I look so gross right now. Ew. I look really old. Stop it. I look like the crypt keeper.
No.
Oh, dude, that was right in my ear.
Whoops. The switch is charged.
So what do you want for Christmas?
Gumball machine.
You still want a gumball machine,
Is that
huh?
what you asked Santa for?
Yes.
Do you think he's going to bring it to you?
Yes.
What would you do with a gumball machine?
I didn't do anything.
No, what would you do with one?
What would you do if you got your gumball machine?
Broke it.
You're going to break it?
Why would you do that?
But I'm trying to get the gumballs.
Well, you don't have to break a gumball machine to get the gumballs out. You just turn the little knob, dude.
Oh.
And hey, so tomorrow, you know what we're doing tomorrow, right?
What?
We're making cookies for Santa.
And milk.
Yep, we're going to leave out some milk for him. But we're going to make cookies for Santa. We're going to leave out reindeer food.
And Mama, we just have cookies.
Yeah, we're going to make them and we're going to eat some of them too. Okay?
Mama, I just want
Do you-
cookies now.
What are you doing, weirdo? Hey, that's my coffee. You're gonna knock over hot coffee. Ain't gonna be good for nobody. Why are you being so weird? Stop being so weird. What else do you want for Christmas?
Blue.
Blue? You already have blue.
Woo! Woo!
What are you doing? There's an elbow in my ribs. Oh. No! I have hot coffee. No! Hot coffee. Stop it! Okay, you got one of the embarrassing laughs. Now stop! Oh no! Okay. Ow. Bro, scoot over. You are in my spot. Oh. God, you're so... Why are your shoulders so sharp? And why do you lead with them? All of your appendages are sharp. You have very sharp appendages. What is this?
You?
It makes sense though, because you used to just ram those elbows into my kidney.
Daddy, take a walk.
Stop it!
No. Tickle me again.
So what's the challenge gonna be?
Tickle!
So first off, let me go ahead and say that the whiskey bottle in my fridge is just coffee. Thought it'd be funny to start storing my cold brew coffee in whiskey bottles in my fridge, which is, I don't know. I think it's funny. It confuses some people though, you know, which is kind of what makes it funny, I guess. So when I started this channel a few years ago, the whole point wasn't necessarily to educate people on anything or really to do a whole lot of anything other than create memories. That was really the only purpose of this whole channel, and it probably still will be just to create memories. You know, my wife and I sat down the other day and watched some of the older videos and laughed our butts off. But also, you know, years down the road, my son will know exactly where to go to get to see video of me doing stupid stuff or having fun or working or whatever, just spending time with me later on in life. And maybe even, you know, 100 years from now, somebody will come back and watch some YouTube and be like, whoa, this guy right there, John Levan from Deadlance Steamworks, he did stuff. So that's really the whole point of my whole channel. And due to that, what I want to do, since Christmas Day is the day after the release of this video, Rob, is challenge you to make a memory. Christmas morning. It's coming tomorrow, I suppose. That's the challenge. It may not be a photo challenge, may not be a video challenge. It could be both. Who knows? Do it however you feel is appropriate, but make a memory and share it with us. That's the whole challenge. Make a memory. And I think it's a good one. Because, you know, kids are important. Family is important. So have fun with it. I'll see you on Tuesday for the memory video.